function. Firstly, we have to take off the cutting wheels from the machines. And then put the radius wheels on the machines and lock it. And then we have to change the grinding port from cutting grinding port to a radius grinding port from the machines. And put the 45 degrees with the red mark. After the above step, then we can start to grinding for the radius functions. When we want to grinding for radius angle, then we turn the grinding port to 35 degrees again, then we can start to grinding the radius angle. Radius angle grinding.